Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I will be showing you how to withdraw GTC coin. So if you manage to mine some GTC coin, listen to me carefully until the end. And even for those who never mined but you are interested, you can still go ahead and buy, because we have pre-sale which is live right now. You can buy GTC coin with as less as $10. But for those who got it for free, like me and the rest, we are just waiting to withdraw the 40% of what you have in your total account, like total amount you have in your account. Okay, so make sure you watch the video. If you are new on my channel, this is my new channel. My name is Cynthia. Make sure you subscribe, you like, turn the notification bell on, and again you can also share with your friends who want to learn how to withdraw GTC coin, or they are interested in this kind of niche, because I do tutorials on how to make money online. Anything to do with money online, please count me in. Okay, so you are all welcome, and remember, I'm going to put the link still if you're interested and you want to buy some or you want to mine some, because if you don't okay, I'm gonna say something. If you are new, listen to me. If you are new or you've never mined before, you want to register and buy at least $10 of GTC coin, I'm gonna put the link on the comment section, and again I'm going to put the WhatsApp link on the comment section to join us, because I normally give updates on the in the group. Okay, in case you have any question, you can hit me inbox directly. Okay, and the same time I wanted to say this. You can see, guys, for now, if you never participated in the pre-sale, that is, if you never bought any coin during the pre-sale, right now pre-sale is ending soon, you just mind everything you have in your account for free. Listen to me carefully. You are going to withdraw 40%. Like me right now, I'm only allowed to withdraw 40% of what I have here. You can see 52,120 GTC coin. So I'm going to withdraw 40% of this, to mean 60% will remain, right? So because I'm participating in the TGE, that is TGE is this there is, okay, I'm gonna say that for now, is something contribution, distribution, what? I've forgotten. Don't worry, don't mind me, I'm too full. So I'm going to receive 40% of this, which is almost 20,000 and something, right? So the remaining 60%, sorry about that, is our cough, like is breathing. Yeah, so the remaining 60% I will take them after 10 months of staking. You get me, right? If you don't know what staking is, staking is like investing. So after 10 months, after TG or after listing, you can still go access it. Let me take this thing away. It's making too much noise here. That chicken is making too much noise, even if. So if you go to your app, if you click on here, we have pre-sale live and this one instant unlock. So for anybody who will participate in the pre-sale, or those who participated will be able to withdraw everything in the account. But if you are not participating in a pre-sale, you are only going to withdraw 40%, as I have said earlier. Okay, so we're gonna click on okay, it's raining, guys, it's raining so hard. So if you click on wallet is here. Let me show you those people who cannot see. This is the wallet. Then you'll be able to see join TGE and join pre-sale. So for us, we just want to join TGE. Okay, and you can see my balance. I have some locked 23 USD, of which I will unlock once the TG is done. Okay, they're going to do the distribution. Okay, so I'm going to click on join TG. So this is how you're gonna withdraw. You're gonna join TG, you go to your browser, watch. So this is the most important part that you are supposed to learn. Okay, so make sure you follow the video. So we have information here. You can see join TGE transactions. Then we have $4 only. So for you to withdraw the 40%, you have to pay $4 only. They are saying only, but it's a lot. Okay, it includes, but what you will get inside, or what you will profit you will make, will be more than this, even 10 times if you mind some good amount. Okay, if you know what I'm talking about, so don't worry. If you can afford the $4, please don't miss. So it includes gas. So this $4, it includes gas fee, transaction fee, claim fee, and distribution fee. You understand? It's not me, it's not my own word, it's them. Okay, so 40% instant withdraw, 40% from your total GTC holdings. Remember, we had already connected our accounts, right? So 40% from your total GTC holdings, you're going to withdraw it instantly. I hope it is the way they've said. We're going to try that. So 60% remaining. This, I said this. Remember, 60 unlock in 10 months vesting period. Okay, so we'll unlock it after some time. Guys, if you remember, most of you, I know you missed Pi coin, because most of you are always shouting scam, scam. It's not scam. You are the one scamming your mind. You've scammed your brain until your brain is scammed and you don't want to come out of the scam thing. My friend, wake up, wash your eyes with cold water and start. Join anything. Join anything you join. So long as it's not devil worshipping, join. So long as it will not need your private part, join. So long as it will not take like $1 million from you, join. Join. Okay. So let's continue. $1 unlock for your upliner. If you want to unlock for your upliner, who is upliner? Upliner is somebody you used his or her link to join the app or to join the project. Like for example, if you used my link to join the project, so I'm your upliner and you are my downline. Okay, so that is the meaning of upline. We have upliner and downliner. Okay, so you can see mandatory. It is mandatory to withdraw 40%, or you join pre-sale and withdraw 100%. Thank you. So we're gonna go to join TG. We're gonna click on join TG. I've already clicked. So this is step 1. Deposit $4 to any of the following wallet address. So they use crypto. Listen to me. You use crypto. If you don't know how to use crypto, my dear, go to my channel, Life with Cynthia. I taught how to do deposit and withdrawal on Binance. Okay, go apply that knowledge. The chicken has also started again. I will go punch it. Okay, select any of the USDT network. So as for me, I always prefer this Binance Smart Chain address. So they have Polygon, they have USDT Trons, they have USDT Ethereum. Second step, after deposit, please send us the screenshot of payment amount, $4, okay? That is for USDT. You're gonna click on upload, choose file, then upload, then click on send, okay? Then wait for them to respond and to send the withdraw 40% of what you have withdrawn from your total earnings. Okay, so we're gonna use I'm going to do this, so I'm gonna use this one. No, before that, I don't want to choose which one I'm going to use. Okay, I'm going to go to my Binance and see which wallet has with less withdrawal fee. Okay, so the withdrawal fee will determine which wallet we're gonna use here. We're gonna choose from this screen. So let us go to my Binance. Where is Binance? Okay, I have some few dollars or some few USDT. Don't mind the balance of my account, Sometimes, it is what it is. So for long as it can do what I want to do now, never mind. Okay. So choose, I'm gonna go to assets, then people were sending me inbox, I will respond later. So I'm gonna choose send. You can see send. So this is the same thing you're supposed to do. I'm gonna use send to Binance user, no, withdraw to crypto, then I'm gonna wait. Coin, which coin? USDT. Remember to be careful, it is USDT. Okay, so I'm gonna choose the network. Let me see which network fee is less. They have BCS is fee is 0.101 USDT, which is equal to Kenya shillings 1 bob 1.3 cents, and the minimum withdrawal is $10. Oh, already this one has left me out. You remember you are supposed to deposit only $4 or 4 USDT. So 10, the first one has already put that out. Then we have a fee. This one they don't have. They had this one, and the minimal too is 10. They also have Polygon. Where is Polygon? Pol 10 too. Oh wow. So Binance has now put everything as 10. So they put as 10 and we only need $4 there. This is crazy. So I might do other options. All the addresses on Binance. All the addresses on Binance. This is crazy. Maybe I might not finish the video now. The fee is less, yes, but with the withdrawal limit is 10 USDT. I don't know what happened. Why did this happen? Like, from when did they start misbehaving? They've misbehaved. So I might not use the USDT on this. I might look for an option. Okay, guys, I might look for another app. I'm gonna check Max, what Max is saying, and the withdrawal fees plus the minimal, because remember they only want 4 USDT. So guys, make sure you follow all the steps. That is the most important thing you wanted to know, right? And I've already done that, right? So I think there's nothing else. So let me do my own things behind the video and complete my own. Okay, because I cannot send $10 or $6 or more than 4. I only want to take 20%, and the remaining I will take after 10 months of vesting, as they said. Yeah, so I'm going to look for an app where they can allow the lesser than this. Okay, so guys, see you soon. I cannot send these people more than $4, and $4 is what is required, unless I want to buy the whole thing for $10 or so or more. Yeah, so that is the whole procedure, guys. If you are new on my channel, make sure you subscribe and also like, share, and turn the notification bell on. See you guys in the next video. I think all the process is done, so please don't come say like I never explained. Please don't.